This is a assembled Arduino flame detector. This is our IR sensor. This is our Arduino UNO. This is the breadboard. These are the jumpers which are attached to it. This is the light which indicates the output, and there is also another output which is the buzzer alarm, and this is the Arduino cable. We have also used a resistor in it so that the bulb do not short out. For the output of LED, the positive cable is connected to the 13th pin of the Arduino UNO and the negative pin is connected to the Arduino ground. And for the buzzer output, the positive pin is connected to the 9th pin of the Arduino UNO and the negative pin is connected to the ground. When we put the flame near to the IR sensor, it indicates us by a LED light and a buzzer alarm which is shown.